Let us know about plant growth substances. The growth of a plant is regulated through gene action and environmental conditions. There are substances which are produced by plants themselves which regulate their growth and many physiological and biochemical activities. These are called plant growth substances. The regulation of plant growth through chemical mechanisms frequently involves certain molecules known as hormones. The plant growth involves growth regulators, phytohormones, and growth inhibitors. What do you know about growth regulator? It is a hormone-like synthetic organic compound. In small amounts, it modifies the growth and development either by promoting or inhibiting the growth. Example, naphthalene acetic acid, NAA. What are phytohormones? These are organic substances produced by the plant. They are very active in very minute quantities. They are synthesized in one of the parts of the plant and translocated to another part where they influence specific physiological, biochemical, and morphological changes. The phytohormones include auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, ethylene, and abscisic acid. What are auxins? Auxin was the first plant hormone to be discovered. They were isolated initially from human urine. The term auxin is given to generally IAA and other natural and synthetic compounds having similar structure and growth regulating properties. Generally, auxins are produced in the growing apices of stem and root, wherefrom they migrate to the other parts of the plant. Auxins such as IAA and phenylacetic acid PAA are natural auxins. Synthetic auxins are chemicals synthesized in the laboratory. They are considered as plant growth regulators. Example, naphthalene acetic acid, 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Let us see the physiological effects of auxin. It promotes the growth by cell enlargement in stems, particularly by elongation of cells. Growth in lateral bud is inhibited when the apical bud of a tall plant remains intact. Apical dominance. Auxin is responsible for initiation and promotion of cell division in cambium. Auxin promotes the growth of root only at extremely low concentrations. Auxin prevents abscission. Seedless fruits are produced in tomato and apple by the external application of auxin, 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, a synthetic auxin, is used to eradicate weeds in the field.